Next is triangle. In triangle TAP, base is equal to AP. It is our it is a triangle, shape of triangle, and it is denoted by base, and it is a height of triangle, and these are called with also height is denoted as altitude. Why? Because it is a perpendicular and also 90-degree angle. It denotes with 90-degree angle. So in triangle TAP, that means we have to take the total triangle. So how can we find the AP is equal to, that means base is equal to B and altitude Tn is equal to H. So how can we find the area of triangle? We know that 1 by 2 into base multiply altitude. 1 by 2 multiply value of base is equal to B and altitude is equal to H. And how can we find the perimeter of triangle? That means sum of all sides of this triangle. That means TA plus TP, AP plus PT. So sum of all sides, TA is denoted by A and AP is denoted with B and PT is denoted with C. That means A plus B plus C. So also we use Heron's formula for area of triangle. So how can we use? Area is equal to square root of side, round bracket, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That means S minus first side of this triangle, S minus second side of this triangle, and S minus third side of this triangle, where S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. That means sum of all sides divided by 2. It is S. So in a equilateral triangle SEW, it is a equilateral triangle. Why it is a equilateral triangle? As we know that if all the sides of triangle are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. Here all the sides of this triangle are equal. So area, how can we find the area of an equilateral triangle? That means under root 3 by 4 side square. What is the value of side? X. That means root 3 by 4x square. And how can we find the altitude? That means denoted by H dash, under root 3 by 2 into side. That means root 3 by 2x. देखो एरिया और एल्टीट्यूड में क्या डिफरेंस है? एरिया में हमने रूट 3 by 4x स्क्वायर लेना है, और व्हेन वी फाइंड द एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ दिस इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, सो वी हैव टू रूट 3 by 2x, only one side and divided by 2. Here we have divided by 4 and take two side of a triangle. So how can we find the perimeter? That means 3 multiply with all sides. So 3 multiply x, it is 3x. Now moving to next is quadrilateral. In the quadrilateral, it is a quadrilateral RIDE. RIDE. RD is a diagonal. It is a diagonal of this quadrilateral. IJ is perpendicular. IJ is perpendicular upon RD. Why it is perpendicular? What is a perpendicular? If a straight line of 90 degree make a angle of 90 degree, it is a sine of 90 degree. So it is called perpendicular. That means अगर एक बेस के ऊपर स्ट्रेट लाइन मतलब 90 डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है, इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? परपेंडिकुलर. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? सिमिलर हमारे पास एक और परपेंडिकुलर है. किस पे बन रहा है? वो भी RD पे बन रहा है, और उसका नेम क्या है? EF. So let EF be H1. We had denoted it by H1, and IJ by H2. Then area of quadrilateral RIDE. That means area of total quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 multiply length of diagonals plus sum of length, multiply length of diagonals multiply sum of lengths of the perpendiculars from the remaining two vertices. That means 1 by 2 multiply RD, length of diagonal RD, and sum of length, that means H1 plus H2. इसका मतलब क्या है? हमने RD एक मतलब जो जिस पे दो परपेंडिकुलर बन रहे हैं उसको लिखा, लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल आर डी है, और सम ऑफ लेंथ्स ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड दीज टू परपेंडिकुलर वैल्यूज ऑफ दीज टू परपेंडिकुलर H1 plus H2. Now moving to next 7, that is circle. Circle is a round shape figure, closed figure, and it has only one single curved line. So it has no line segment, so it is in a round shape. So let OA is equal to R. What is this? It is a radius of this circle with the center O. Then how can we find the area of circle? Pi r square. It is a formula to find the area of a circle. And circumference or perimeter, that means boundary of this circle. How can we find the value of boundary of this circle? Is equal to 2 pi r, where we take the value of pi is equal to 22.7 r. R is a radius of this circle. And how can we find the diameter? If it is a straight line passing from the center, so it is 2 multiply with r, it is 2r radius, that means 2r. So moving to our first example, a rectangle of length 40 centimeter has a perimeter equal to the perimeter of square. We have given rectangle and also a square. So which of two has more area and by how much? Firstly, length of rectangle 40 centimeter and breadth of rectangle be x. Why? Because we have given only length of rectangle. We have to find the breadth of a rectangle. Thus the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply L plus B. So 2 into value of length 40 plus x. Why we take the perimeter of rectangle? Because we have given length and perimeter equal to the perimeter of square. मतलब क्या है, जो रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर की वैल्यू वो किसके इक्वल है? स्क्वायर के पेरीमीटर के इक्वल. हम फर्स्टली हमारे पास स्क्वायर की साइड गिवन है, तो हमने पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है. जो वैल्यू आएगी स्क्वायर के पेरीमीटर की वही वैल्यू होगी पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल की. सो द लेंथ ऑफ साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 30 सेंटीमीटर. पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर हमने कैसे फाइंड करना है? दैट मीन्स 4 मल्टीप्लाई विद साइड. सो 4 मल्टीप्लाई 30, it is 120. So now the perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. That means 2 times 40 plus x is equal to 120. Why we write it? Because perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B and value of L is 40 given, but and value of breadth x we have to find the is equal to 120. So 40 plus x is equal to 120 divided by 2, it is 60. Now we have to find the value of x, that means breadth. So how can we firstly separate the x variable, that shifting it to the right side, that means 60 minus 40, it is 20. Therefore breadth of rectangle is equal to 20 centimeter. And area of rectangle, how can we find the area of rectangle? What is the formula? Length multiply with breadth. That means 40 multiply 20 is equal to 800 centimeter square. And area of square, that means side square. So that means 30 multiply with 30 is equal to 900 centimeter square. Which is greater? Area of square is greater than area of rectangle. Therefore A2 is greater than A1, because we have denoted with the area of square with A2 and area of rectangle with A1. That means A2 is a sign of greater than A1. So A2 minus A1. Also we have to find how much more area. That's why we are subtracting from area of square, area of rectangle from area of square. 900 minus 800 centimeter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. So now moving to our next question. Next is, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are in ratio 4:3 and the area is 6912 meters square. Find the cost of fencing the field at rupee 2.50 per meter. cost of per meter we have rupee 2.50. So firstly let the length of the field be 4x meter and breadth of the field be 3x. Why we denote it? Because we have given the value of length and breadth into ratio. That's why we have multiplied 4 with x and also breadth with x. So area of field is 6912. So length multiply breadth is equal to 6912 and fill the value of length into breadth. That means 4x multiply 3x is equal to 6900. 4 multiply 3 12x square is equal to 6912. Now we have to find the value of x square. That means 6912 divided by 12. When we divide by 12, so answer is 576. So how now we have to find the value of x square. So how can we find the value of x square? We have given x square is equal to 576. देखो we have given x square. So how can we find the value of only x? So the square of this become the square root of another side. अब देखो स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है, हमने दो नंबर्स ऐसे लेने हैं जिनको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करें, उसका आंसर 576 आए. देखो जैसे एज वी नो दैट 9 मल्टीप्लाई 9 विज 81 एंड 15 multiply 15 is equal to 225 and 14 multiply 14 is equal to 196. Similar 21 multiply 21 is equal to 442. Similar, we have to find the value of this number to, that means when we multiply two same numbers, so getting 576. So which is 24 multiply 24, because 4 4s are 16, take 1 as carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 9 plus 8 17, take 1 as carry, 4 plus 1 576. Why we write it? बिकॉज देखो हम मतलब प्रोडक्ट को किसी और तरह से भी ले सकते हैं, बट हमने ना इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है. स्क्वायर रूट देखो, वैल्यू ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट हमारे पास क्या होता है, सपोज वी हैव 4, वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्स्टली 2 square of 2, we writing it like this because 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4 and the value of root is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 raised to power 2 multiply with 1 by 2, that means cut it get, so answer is 2. So that's why we are writing it 24 multiply 24. So x is root 24 square, so cut the square root with the square, so the value of x is equal to 24. Now we find the length. Well, therefore length is equal to 4x, that means 4 multiply 24, it is 96 meter, and breadth of 3x, that means 3 multiply 24, it is 72 meter. Now also we have to find the perimeter of field. Perimeter of field, that means 2 multiply length plus breadth, because it is in a rectangular shape, that's why we are using this formula. So 2 multiply, put the value of length 96 and breadth 72. So 96 plus 72, it become 168. Now we have to multiply 168 with 2. 8 2s are 16, take 1 as a carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, take 1 as another carry, 2 multiply with 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, so it is 336 meter. Now we have to find the cost of perimeter. So we have given cost of one fencing 1 meter 2.50 rupee, and therefore cost of fencing how many, 336 meter. So rupee 2.50 multiply with 336, so the answer is 840 rupee. Cost of 3 136 meter fencing is equal to rupee 840. Firstly, we have to find the value of length and breadth. After finding the value of firstly we have write the value of length be 4x and breadth be with 3x, and after we have to find the value of x, we have to find the value of length and breadth, then we have to find the perimeter, and then we have to find the cost of fencing.